YouTube, welcome back to the Investing on a 9 to 5 YouTube channel. It's your boy, the Dividend Dog. And on tonight's video, we'll be talking about a blue chip stock that I'm going to be adding to the portfolio here. But before we dive into the video, wanted to give you guys a shout out there, 9 to 5ers, for hitting the like and subscribe button on the channel. It's one, letting us know you guys are liking the content, and two, is helping the page grow. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Do not miss to hit the like and subscribe button so you do not miss out on the future updated content. So let's go ahead and dive into our ticker for the night. But we're going to talk about blue chips. What is a blue chip? So blue chips, it originated amongst gamblers where they are gambling at the highest value. But we're going to swing that back into the stock market. And today, we talk about blue chip stocks like large cap companies like IBM, Coca-Cola. They're the leaders in their industries, and they have a strong reputation and dependable reputation. While blue chip stocks provide a relatively consistent stream of passive income, they're usually accompanied with some slower growth and lower returns, but they also have been increasing that dividend for a long time. And, this company we're going to be talking about today, they've increased, the dividend for over 30 years, which is awesome. That ticker is MDT, Medtronic. Right now, they are sitting at a $108 billion market cap. Getting a 9.3 rating here from Fidelity. Closed out today at $79.94. And we are looking at a 6-month chart of the stock. And as you guys can see, it hasn't really done anything for us. So MDT, Medtronic, is a technology company that provides, all types of instrumental tools for cardiovascular, medical surgery, neuroscience, diabetes. You also have them, functioning as for a structural heart, neurovascular, diabetes, cardiac solutions, surgical robots. So as you guys can see, they are implemented with all types of healthcare products that are needed for anything that more likely goes wrong with our body, which is pretty cool. Last earnings report was flat. Nothing to write home about, but I think this is an undervalued time to take a look at the company and what they have, been doing now and what they plan to do in the future. And they have a cool acquisition they recently just did. We're going to talk about here soon, which I think would make them really undervalued. Continuing to do, investing into the R&D, research and development, acquisitions, which means they're acquiring a lot of companies. Now, something that's take the look on too, as for risk, by them acquiring this amount of companies within, this short amount of time, can't put them at a high risk, because not all of these companies may be successful down the line. So just something to think about for us. They continue to do dividend raises. They've been doing 45 years of dividend increases. They raised at 8% in May of 2022, and they do share repurchase as well, which you guys know are good as for dividend investors. I like that they're also involved in the environmental, trying to do stuff towards the climate, patient safety, product quality, just basically making sure everything around the environmental makes the world go around even better. Next, was it today? They linked up with NVIDIA. You guys know that the AI race is on. So that is what companies are going to be finding their ways to implement AI into their company some way, somehow. And Medtronic and NVIDIA have delivered, this GI Genius AI access platform to innovate the healthcare. NVIDIA plans to integrate NVIDIA's AI technology to help the GI Genius intelligent endoscopy module, which is the FDA's first cleared AI assistant colonoscopy tool to help out physicians detect, all types of cancers here. So this is going to be huge here for Medtronic and NVIDIA and Cosmo Pharmaceuticals, and here in the future for health. Fundamental standpoint, this is from Fidelity. They have it, close to being really undervalued and a high quality company. Once again, we know, at the beginning, blue chip stocks, they have a, lower returns or growth, but they're very quality and very dependable companies. And this company says it's undervalued, and I think it is too. Dividend growth is continuously to go out the water here, which is solid to see. Dividend payout ratio is high, which is at 88%. So this is around like AbbVie's dividend payout ratio. If you guys have been following along on the channel, but AbbVie's payout ratio is around 80%, but they've been paying the dividend for almost 30 or around 30 years as well. So that goes back to, what I like to say is, these companies have been paying it for this long with this high payout ratio. Yes, we can, keep it on our list to monitor it. But they've been doing it for so long, and they're skilled to do this and continue to do that. This is here from the dividend tracker. The dividend growth rates given green lights. The current ratio is at 1.76, which means that how quickly can they pay a short-term obligation? If anything quickly were to happen at the company, which is good. Earnings growth is awesome as well. Now, looking at who owns the company, institutional wise, we got 53%, institutions owning this, which is, good to see as well. Analysts have it as a hold, upside at 11%, target price at $90 here. Dividend strength is strong. And insiders are acquiring shares too. $63,000 worth of shares of MDT, Medtronic, was bought last quarter. And guys, that is all that the dog had for you guys on tonight's video regarding MDT, the blue chip stock that I will be adding to the portfolio. I thank you guys again for joining me on this Monday. I hope you guys have had a killer Monday and you are now relaxing, getting ready for a terrific Tuesday. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you guys would be adding this to your portfolio, and let me know what you guys think on the video. I will catch you guys on the next one. I am out. See ya.